Today, we're making Shooting the Balloon Game Part 2 in Scratch. This time, instead of machine gun, we'll use a bow and arrow to pop the balloons. It's easy to build, fun to play, and perfect for beginners. Before we begin, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Okay, let's do it. First, let's upload a nice backdrop for our game. Woo, I love this one. Next, let's remove the scratch CAD and upload an arrow sprite. We also add a white circle to show where the arrow will be shot from. We will start with the white circle. When the green flag is clicked, move it to the bottom center of the screen. Make it show and send it to the back layer so it stays behind everything else. Next, let's add controls for the arrow. When the green flag is clicked, place the arrow inside the white circle. Set its size to 50% and make it visible. Use a forever loop to control the direction. If the left arrow key is pressed, turn the arrow left by 5 degrees. If the right arrow key is pressed, turn the arrow right by 5 degrees. This allows the player to aim the shot. To make the arrow shoot, we use the space key. When the space key is pressed, create a clone of the arrow and wait 0.6 seconds. When I start as a clone, use a forever loop to move the arrow forward 10 steps at a time. If the arrow touches the edge of the screen, delete the clone so it disappears. Now let's try it. Next, let's add the balloon sprite. We want to create many balloons and make them fall down from the sky. When the green flag is clicked, hide the balloon first. Use a forever loop to create a clone of the balloon every 1 second. When I start as a clone, go to a random X position at the top of the screen. Switch to a random color to make each balloon look different. Then show the balloon and glide down to the bottom of the screen in 6 to 8 seconds. Next, we create two variables. The first variable is score. This keeps track of how many balloons you shoot. The second variable is life. You lose 1 life every time you miss a balloon. We start by setting the initial score to 0 and giving the player 3 lives at the beginning of the game. When a balloon starts as a clone, use a forever loop. If the balloon's Y position drops below -200, decrease life by 1 and then delete the clone. So, how do we get score? When a balloon starts as a clone, use a forever loop. If the balloon touches the arrow, play a pop sound, increase the score by 1, and then delete the clone. Last, to end the game, use a forever loop to check the life variable. If life drops to 0, which means you missed 3 balloons, the game ends. Boom! You just created your own shooting balloon game version 2. If you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.